Yesterday we have seen 90-degree, okay, without using any, without using protractor. We are using only compass, okay. So today again we will see how to draw 45-degree. But now we are doing the constructions, and you know how to write the steps that I told you already. So now you have to see how to draw 45-degree at the initial point. So it is just like yesterday we did the half of this one. Okay. So first take we will draw one line, straight line, correct? And at the initial point, one ray, the ray, initial point of the ray, we have to draw 45-degree at the initial point of the at the initial point of the ray, correct? So we are going to draw a ray first, and at that initial point, so suppose this is the ray. You can do it with me. It is better to do with me. I'll send you the recording also. This is the ray, and its initial point is this one. O is its initial point, and this is point A. So OA is a ray whose initial point is O. At A, we have to draw 45-degree. Okay. You can write the steps. Again, I'm telling you the steps. Now you have to write the steps and show me in the classroom. So you can put here same way we will draw first. We cannot draw 45-degree directly. We will draw first 90-degree and then 45-degree. Okay. So you can have any radius, any suitable radius. You can have any suitable radius and then put here compass at point O. Okay. And any radius. So once you decided the radius, then do not change it. No? After that, you can draw an arc. Do not change the radius now that we have done already in the previous one. Similarly, now you will put here. So next is blue color. So I will change the color according to this scheme. Red, the next step will be blue, then next green, then yellow, then white, so that you can easily understand without seeing the video also. So then this is 60-degree. Do not change the radius. That is the important thing. Then you have to put here compass and draw another arc with different color. Okay. If these arcs are looking big, you can use the eraser and erase the big part, because you need the very small part. You need these 2 points where it intersects the previous one, and do not change the radius. This time you can change. If you want, you can change the radius. Otherwise, it is okay. Here we can change the radius according to our convenience. We can change. If you will go with the same radius, no problem. So I'll suggest you don't change the radius unnecessarily. Whenever required, then only you can change the radius, correct? So here you have to draw one arc from this point. Got it? This one, the arc. After that, you have, now you cannot change the radius. Once you have decided for this point, these 2 points, radius should be same. Now this arc is intersected by the arc by this arc. We can give the different points to write the steps of construction. Okay, so this is 90 degree. So, but we need 45 degree. So you can join O point to this point to get 90 degree. This is 90 degree. But you need 45 degree. If you see, this is suppose B point and this is C point. BC is how much? 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So if we draw the bisector of this 90 degree angle, we get 45 degree. So we can take any radius now, but once decided more than, it should be more than half. Otherwise, the both arcs will not intersect to each other. It should be more than half of this one. So if two arcs are not intersecting, then you have to do it again and change the radius. You can make it bigger radius. Okay. So now red color, we take red color to draw the arc. Then with the same radius, you have to put the compass at point C and change the color. And intersect this arc. Intersect this arc. So this is the final D point, you can say now. This point D joining DO, this point D, then joining O to D, this is 45 degree. Get this angle as 45 degree. Got it? So this is question number 2. We have done this is question number 2, our exercise 11.1, question number 2. Construct an angle of 45 degree and justify the construction means we have to prove the construction. So on justification, we can write AOD 45 degree. Justification, generally we are not asking in exam justification, but you can justify also by, means justify means you can prove that you have done correct. So you can measure and take how to draw 30 degrees. So as I told you 60 degree, we can draw 60 degree by taking this initial point O. This initial point O, here we have to draw 30 degree, but 30 degree we cannot draw directly. So first we will draw 60 degree, and yesterday I told you how to draw the 60 degree. We can take any radius and then draw an arc at taking O as center and any radius, suitable radius, draw an arc. Then do not change the radius. Now here you can put, so always you get, yesterday I verified also this, always you are getting 60 degree, whatever radius you are taking, but this angle is always coming 60. Oh, sorry, this is same. Okay, somewhat I think it is changed by mistake. No problem, you can do exactly. So this is 60 degree always. This angle is coming how much? 60 degree. So these 2 points A and B, suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. So BC is giving angle 60 degree. This angle is how much? 60 degree. But we have to draw 30 degree. So we have to draw the angle bisector of BC. So at B and C, we can take any radius. Now we can take any radius, but once you have taken the radius for B, the same radius you have to take at C also. Okay. Yes, Imran, I will send. Okay. Then with the same radius, draw another arc. This arc is intersecting the previous arc at this point. This point, you can say D point. Okay. So now joining OD. OD is the bisector of angle 60 degrees. So this will be 30 degree. Okay. Then in the second part, you have to draw third question is you have to draw 15 degree also. This is 15 degrees. So when you are drawing 50 degree, you have to do the same thing. This is question number one as well as third part one as well as part three. So in part three also you'll you can turn on your video. It's making a problem for me. Okay, so then we can have the bisector of BE at B and E. At B and E. Okay, so it is intersecting at this point. O joining O to F. This is 30 degree, 15 degree, sorry. So we can draw, that means we can draw 15 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree. Got it? Now our second question is we have to draw 22 and a half. 22 and a half is the half of 45 degree. So in the previous, we have seen this is 45 degree and half of 45 degree is what? You have to draw 45 degree like this. When you divide 45 by 2, you get 22 and a half degree. So that means here you have to draw the bisector. So B, C, D, and you can take this point B, E. B, E is 45 degree, and you have to draw the bisector of BE. This is question number 2 of third exercise 11.1, question number, part number 2 of question number 3. Okay, so we can have the arcs at B and E to intersect each other. First, it will intersect at this point. It will draw one arc, another arc with the same radius put at E, and draw another arc which intersects this arc. Go back to point B, and you can increase the length of this arc. Okay, like this. And then again go back to point E and draw another arc which intersects this arc. Okay, then joining O, this point you can give F, A, B, C, D, E, and this is F. Now join OF. Join OF. This angle is 22 and a half degree. Okay,